When multiplying many negative factors, what is the outcome of multiplying an even amount of factors? So we're building up on multiplying integers, especially multiple integers here, right? With different signs, positive and negatives. But here it's saying many negative factors. That means we're strictly focusing on negative factors, and when we multiply multiple of these factors, there's a certain pattern that comes out. When we count the amount of factors, and if there is an even amount of factors, the result will always be positive. Let's title this video Multiplication, Same Signs, and Many Factors, and we're dealing with negatives, okay? And is there a pattern between all of these terms here? And yes, there is. We're going to take number 2, for instance, and we're just going to keep multiplying -2, -2, and -2, and we're going to figure out exactly what is the pattern, okay? So here we have -2 times -2 times -2. So let's say here, -2 times -2 is 4. Then we're going to bring down the remaining -2. And now we have 4 times -2, which gives us a product of -8. So here, with 3 factors, we come out to a negative product here. Negative. Alright? How about we do 4 factors using the same value? -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. What will that give us? Well, there's 4 factors here. We have 4 -2's here, and they're all being multiplied. So -2 times -2, +4. Now we bring down the other -2's to be multiplied. So we got -2 times -2. All right. How about 4 times -2? Well, that's going to give us a -8. All right. Now we're going to bring down the -2. And we have here -8 times -2 equals +16. So here we notice that when there's an even amount of factors, the product is going to be positive because there's 4 factors. Now when there's an odd number of factors, such as the first question that we solved, there was a negative. Let's go ahead here and let's just do another even amount of factors. -2 times -2 equals +4. Alright, notice that it is positive and there's an even amount of factors. So this ultimately gave us a positive outcome. Okay, remember we're solely multiplying the same sign, which is negative. Alright, so -2, -2 times -2 times -2, okay, times another -2 times -2, and we're going to add one more -2 there times -2. Boom. All right, so now we just count the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 factors. All right, and what this rule is stating is that it's going to be a positive product. Okay, let's go ahead here and start. -2 times -2, well, that's 4. And we can say the exact same thing for here, 4, and we can say the exact same thing here for 4. So we're left with 4 times 4 times 4. Alright, let's go ahead here. What's 4 times 4? 16. Bring down the remaining times 4 here, and we come out with a total of, let's see here, 64. So 16 times 4 is +64.